That's correct, Jared. Just to be clear, there has been no mention of a global, but because there are multiple files open there, that is a potential. So we are looking into that being a potential resolution. I think might have overheard. I think council's going to, or they already did request a final pretrial. I think that's a good move in this one.
Does the victim in this matter be part of the new case or something?
No, I don't think so. I think
Okay.
I think there's a couple. I think there's a controlled substance case or something,
All right.
but he just has multiple. So we're just looking into potential resolutions.
April 7th at 8 a.m. for the final pretrial. April 28th for the third trial.
Final pretrial, April 7th, 8 o'clock in the morning in person at the court. And jury trial will be scheduled for April 28th. Do you have any questions today, Mr. Boer?
No, that's fine.
Any additional matters for the record?
Not for the people, Your Honor. Thank you.
No, nothing further. Thank you.
We're all set, Mr. Boer. On the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Cadence Blundell. It's 24-02054. Ms. Blundell, I have two requests and summons for probation violations. The allegations allege that you failed to refrain from alcohol per coordinate solutions. On January 10th, tested positive with result yielding 9,854 nanograms per milliliter ETG and 7,384 nanogram per milliliter ETS. There's also a violation that you failed to provide proof of attendance in a 12-step program, which you were supposed to be attending one time weekly. No evidence or proof that you completed the victim impact panel, which was supposed to be completed by the 3rd of February. It says no evidence that you completed your community service, which you were supposed to complete by January 9th, 2025, and no evidence that you've enrolled in high school GED program, which you were supposed to be enrolled by the 5th of December. So you have the right to have a contested hearing on these matters. If you're found to be in violation of your probation status, your probation can be revoked. You'll be sentenced to straight jail time. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have the right to have an attorney represent you for these violations. And at the time of any hearing, did you want to request an attorney?
Yes.
We'll set this for a hearing and then you can meet with the public defender today, okay?
March 24th at 1:30.
March 24th at 1:30 is the date for your hearing in person at the court. Do you have any questions at this time?
No, Your Honor.
I will get you on Zoom and then you can meet with Ms. Sutter in just a moment. People of the state of Michigan versus Samantha Decker, 24-01888. Is Samantha Decker present?
She is not checked in.
State of Michigan versus Theodore Gomez, 24-02266. Mr. Gomez, can you unmute your device, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Gomez, this is a probation violation arraignment. I do have a request and summons for probation violation alleging that you failed to report to your probation officer back on February 12th, 2025, which would have been your first report date. It also stated that you tested positive for alcohol at Reality Counseling back on January 23rd, 2025, and that you had an ETG 3,168 nanogram per milliliter. It also stated that you failed to appear for testing at Reality Counseling on February 1st, 2025. So you have the right to a contested hearing on these violations and the right to have the prosecution and probation put forth evidence to establish that you violated the terms and conditions of your probation. If the violations are sustained, your probation status can be revoked. You can be facing jail time. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you want to request an attorney to represent you?
No, that's all right. Well, do I have to appear in court again?
You're gonna appear in court one way or the other. So
Okay.
I might,
Yeah.
so
And
my
I-
question about needing an attorney has nothing to do with whether or not you're appearing in court. Do you want an attorney represent you, or do you intend to represent yourself on the violation?
Yeah, I could have an attorney, I guess.
Okay, we'll set this matter for a hearing,
March 31st at 1:30.
March 31st at 1:30 in person at the court. You'll meet with Ms. Sutter today before you leave the virtual courtroom, okay?
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
No problem. Do you have any questions?
No, I'm better acclimated to the program right now.
Okay, sounds,
I had that was my first testing. And
I'm
I,
gonna stop you because anything you say can be used against you, okay?
okay,
You
all right.
should talk to the attorney first.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Your signature is not on them.
I'm sorry.
Your signature is not on them. It's right here in that.
On this one.
The one that you
Oh.
I gave back. That was two of them. You're gonna log. Or is Johnson downstairs?
Yes.
Who's representing him?
I think it's Raleigh.
Oh, okay.
I haven't seen him yet either.
This is Ms. Bowser?
Yes.
You haven't seen Mr. Raleigh though? Oh,
Not yet.
She didn't even arrive. She didn't pick him up. Makes everything. Not Ms. Sutter, we're gonna put Mr. Gomez in the room with you.
Thank you.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Just a moment, sir. Someone put him in the room. Did he go in there though? Is he frozen? I think he clicked it, that's why he's frozen. Got it. Ms. Sutter, he's in there.
Thank you.
No problem. You gotta return to breakout room.
Yeah, it's missing the option is from where it normally is. I'm trying to find it. Thank you.
Oh, okay. On the record, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Asia Bowser 22-01339, appearance, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Matt Nabel for the people.
Jacob Riley on behalf of Ms. Bowser.
Okay, Bowser has a larceny pre-trial today. Was there an offer on this?
There's no offer at this time, Your Honor. I think the defense is going to request it from the trial date. People can find that motion.
Yes, sir.
Since you want to final pre-trial?
Yes, sir.
Pre-trial April 14th at 8 a.m. Jury trial April 28th.
Pre-trial April 14th in person at the court, and then a jury trial will be scheduled April 28th in person at the court. Do you have any questions?
No.
I'm trying to figure out what is this? Okay, I think there was a filing of some sort by Ms. Bowser. Ultimately, I think she's alleged, that she offered $100 to resolve the conflict back in 2022. I don't know if prosecution received a copy of this. Did you get a copy of this?
Doesn't sound
This is this sent to the court, it looks like in 2023.
I checked the notes. I don't have any notes.
Yeah, this is just clipped on the other side of the file.
I will reach out to, if I can get in touch with the victim, I'll let the victim know that was
You make
at
a
one
copy
point
of
on the
this for the
table.
attorneys too.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll get both of them copies of that packet. Anyway, we'll see you in person on that date, okay, ma'am? Thank you.
Okay.
318 6159.
Yeah, I mean, there's nothing owed. I don't mind discussing this if everything's been resolved.
Yeah, I mean, after I gave him the money, he just said whatever he needs to do to.
Okay, I'll talk to him. That's how it feels.
Thank you. So would that be something you would be able to let me know before this date or,
Yes, I'll talk to your lawyer. Your lawyer will notify you.
all right, sounds good. Thank you.
Save everybody's time. If that's you. Happy to do it.
Ms. Sutter, I think that's all we have.
Yeah, this. if we have
Sounds
to-
good, Your Honor.